15-year-old daughter, goes to my married brother's house every weekend. When I found out why, I couldn't believe it. The age difference between my daughter and my brother isn't that big. She is 15 years old and he is 20. So they were always very close since she was a child. My daughter always matured quickly for her age. At the age of 11 or 12, she already wanted to put on makeup and was very vain. My brother and she were in similar life stages, so they were very attached. When my brother turned 18, he started dating someone, then got engaged and eventually married. That made him distance himself a little bit from my daughter, which was natural as their lives were taking different directions. After a while, my daughter approached him and his wife again, becoming close friends with her. Every weekend my daughter wanted to go to their house, and I always allowed it, because I could see that they had a good reputation. My brother's wife was very dear, so I always allowed it. One weekend, my daughter went to their house but forgot her cell phone charger. Since my brother and his wife used iPhones, they did not